Hello everybody, me again. Let's have another little sing-along. This one's based on Obla-Di, Obla-Da by the Beatles, with some new words of course. So, let's hope you can sing along with all your family. Have fun. We're all in this together and we'll be just fine. Especially if we face things with a smile. All of us are waiting for a better time. Just be patient, it will be here in a while. Obla-Di, Obla-Da, life goes on now. And after COVID-19's gone. Obla-Di, Obla-Da, life goes on now. And after COVID-19's gone. Want to get together to enjoy ourselves, sing and laugh and also play some games. We'll have so much fun with classmates that we miss so much, even though it won't be quite the same. Obla-Di, Obla-Da, life goes on now, and after COVID-19's gone. Obla-Di, Obla-Da, life goes on now, and after COVID-19's gone. Throughout our lives we will always have our friends to help us, teach us and care for us until the very end. Obla-Di, Obla-Da, life goes on now, and after COVID-19's gone. Obla-Di, Obla-Da, life goes on now, and after COVID-19's gone. I hope you can learn that. It'd be great to hear you all singing that sometime this week when I come into your Zoom meetings with your teachers. Have fun, keep safe, and keep happy. Bye-bye.